Amin Khalid. I'm from Jamia Millia Islamia. I'm a student of Masters in Social Work.
I'm Fiza Saghir. We are here as interns. We have been working on a variety of tasks, and we have gained a lot of experiences, and we have had a lot of learnings as well. We have been engaged into one particular project exactly, which is collectivizing for change, dignified and safe workplaces for the unorganized. So this in this project we have been carrying out various tasks, like one of them is analyzing the RTIs that have been sent to various districts of the country for the compliance, for checking the constitution and compliance of LCCs.
Apart from enhancing the literature on this project, we have also been working with the domestic workers at the grassroots level. So as interns in Priya, we got an opportunity to talk to many domestic workers and talk about their issues. If we start with some of them, it's no fixed holidays, low wages and harassment. There's no compensation for their injuries or their extra work that is given to them.
Apart from all this, they face regular, very frequent rather, harassment, like physical, emotional and sexual harassment as well. So we have been covering all those subjects when we have been taking up these case studies door to door, and it's always been like a journey in Priya, from working at the grassroots levels to where we went to where we had door-to-door interviews, and then moving to the analyzing our data collected from various RTIs and analyzing and doing and presenting it in national consultations, and pushing and lobbying for bringing about changes in the law and rules and regulations for domestic workers, bringing up a concrete act for domestic workers for promoting their rights. And during this journey, there were times when I was so affected and so grieved by their stories, the stories they shared with me. In one of those times when I was really heartbroken, I wrote a little poem which I would like to read. With 3 jobs and 5 kids, she struggled to get by. So she worked and sweat, and cooked and swept and ate, only sometimes. Every night she dreamt of quitting, but every morning she was back on her feet, from home to home, from indignity to abuse, striving and not succumbing.
I am always reminded of this poetry whenever I get to hear incident of sexual harassment, where these brave souls go through sexual harassment at their workplaces. It goes like this. फिक्र गुर्बत है, अंदेशे तन्हाई है. फिक्र गुर्बत है, अंदेशे तन्हाई है. जिंदगी न जाने कितने हादसों से गुजर के आई है. जिस हाल में लोग मरने की दुआ करते हैं, उस हाल में मैंने जीने की कसम खाई है. So as students of Masters in Social Work in Jamia Millia, we had to what were our objectives? Our objectives have been to learn about research, particularly participatory research. Then learning about advocacy, skills of professional social work, and then campaign designing. How do you carry out? In a nutshell, it has always been about how a non-profit organization influences public policy making, and understanding, apart from that, understanding the social legal environment in which a non-profit organization works. So Priya in that sense has been providing us the best opportunity to fulfill our objectives as well as manifold our learnings. We've also been a part of a training session that was held here through Priya. It was facilitated by Ms. Nandita Pradhan, and watching her work through her amazing ideology, it's an experience of a lifetime on its own. Also, we got to see how a training session goes about, and we also got trained in the process. Something very fresh and new that we got to learn here and be a part of was the RTI study.
It was already initiated when we came here, and by the time we were here, the replies were coming in from all over the country. This RTI was about the constitution and compliance of the LCC, the Local Complaints Committee, that every state and every district has to constitute, so that the domestic workers or any other informal workers could go there and complain about sexual harassment if it has happened or occurred at their workplaces.
We have also been doing stakeholder interviewing. There are a lot of stakeholders involved in having a policy, building a policy for building a framework for rights of domestic workers, bringing about some kind of legal reform, some kind of legal instrument to give rights to domestic workers. So I and Eamon have been working all along, and we have been interviewing different stakeholders in this process. Like we went to the police station, we talked to the police about it. Then we interviewed various resident welfare associations, because these are all made of employers, and basically if we are able to influence the employers to give their rights, to uphold the rights of domestic workers, then really we are making about some change on the ground. So in that way we have also gone to interviewed these placement agencies which place domestic workers in various households.
A new skill that we learned here at Priya was the PSA, the Participatory Safety Audit. We did it first at a Delhi University College. We got to know and learn the skill of how to go about a participatory tool. After that, we also worked at a PSA at a community where most of the women were domestic workers, so that we could learn about their community, the route they take to their work and their workplaces, how safe their community is for them, and how safe they feel when they step out of their homes to go for work.
As social workers, we have been able to understand how social workers can be really instrumental in bringing about change in the society, the structure of society, through our skills. At Priya, we have learned so much. We have been having a heterogeneous set of experiences. So Priya has been has been utilizing these tools for participatory research, and I must say unequivocally it is using participatory research brings about all inclusive development, and this kind of work is really applaudable, I believe.
My favorite thing at the head office at Priya is the toilets. Sorry, but they are the most clean toilets I've ever seen anywhere.
That's right.
So kudos to the cleaning staff. It is always just perfect. The food.
How can we forget that?
The food is so good here, so good. It's always clean, it's cooked in front of you, it's always served with so much affection, and everyone sits together.
And the variety of food, you get pastas also here.
Yeah, and the home cooked food, the rotis, it's like straight out of your home kitchen, and everyone sits together. The environment here is so friendly and so open that even it was our first week here, and the director of Priya came and sat with the interns, and it felt so good.
Everybody is so humble and everybody is so friendly over here.
We always felt welcomed.